The production is sick. I like the band.
And being shirtless and things like that.
Good. Oh wow. What up my people? ¿Qué pasa? This is Daniel Vince and this is my first time listening to K-pop music.
Lo que toca lo complica. Demasiada calidad para la industria. Con cojones pero con la vida mustia. Tequetete, 1, 2, tequetete. Londinense, Madrid, el Torete.
Hablan de mi guananana.
Todos me negaron y me dio igual. Guananana.
Vueltas y vueltas y vueltas me miras como
Te miro como
me miras como
te miro como
Because obviously you're a producer, songwriter, artist, rapper, all of that, but I wanted to focus on your production side.
Okay.
And show you a particular company. So this company is actually the one that pioneered K-pop. They created K-pop basically.
Sounds interesting.
So yeah, so like they're a big company and there's a lot of artists under them. And they have a particular sound, and some of it you might notice, some of it might be outside of that sound. But I just want to hear your thoughts on these groups.
Definitely.
This is just the male groups within this particular company.
Cool. Wow. Ooh. Electronic sounds. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna make a comment about these three beat styles in that all of them sound really, really good, especially the second one.
Okay.
Let me go back and I'll show you. This one sound really, really good. This one. Yeah.
Oh, it's the first song.
Yeah, the first song. Yeah, it sounds really good. The production is sick, and it's something I like about this kind of production. Obviously, maybe my style I like a little bit is they use a lot of 80s elements, like 80s synths. It's something like kind of Bruno Mars does as well. So he brings these DX7s, Moogs, Juno, Jupiters, all of these sounds that that you literally you hear that and you relate it to the 80s disco stuff. They've got really specific sounds. They're analogic synthesizers, not digital ones. So they had these specific characteristics that they're really, I mean, you can replicate them nowadays on digital, but the credit is still for taking it for these analog synths. And you hear these on this kind of production, but the beat is really contemporary beat, like sounds really fresh. I don't know if it's maybe 10 years ago, whatever, but even now I listen to it and it sounds good. You could put in a clap.
Yeah, this song is quite a classic. So this group is one of the biggest groups in this company, and they pioneered a lot of things.
Which is the company's?
So the company's SM.
SM. Okay.
The group is SHINee, and I got into them recently, and I love them. But this song that you're listening to is actually their first song ever.
Oh wow, it's really well done.
And they weren't fully planned as a group, but they just obviously are talented, so they didn't expect to have as much popularity as they did.
That really, the production and the sound, everything is lit. It's really, really nice. The next one, I was impressed. The singer is, I really like it. I like the voice. I like the melodies. It's this one here. That kind of 90s R&B, but again, it's different to what we used to see and this kind of R&B scene. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, all these harmonies, really popular in the 90s. Yeah, 2009. Yeah, that was a lot of these synths. Yeah, all the videos they got choreographies, again colors, lighting, concept stuff. Nice. Very catchy hook, like really catchy chorus. Interesting here, you know, how they sing this is it sounds a bit like Indian music with autotune and but the rhythm is something totally different. I wonder if they have like any tabla or Indian instruments there, because you got that feel a little bit. Very like mainstream, like very. Wow, very nice video. Like this. Is that a cathedral or was? I wonder if all these videos that belongs to the same company, SM,
Yeah.
they have the same team of producers, because on the last 3 songs they set in common these electronic synthesizers in all of them, which it was kind of like a big thing in 2008, 2009, and they got that quite present in all the songs. So I guess.
Well, I think they're all. So what you're saying is things that were in the same time period. So you're probably right that whoever was producing, or the team,
the same team
using the same sorts of like the same process.
Yeah, probably, because they got that in common, which I guess is good, even if they are different bands, but the same production company working together. I guess. Yeah, they deliver this similar, not similar, but they got that in common. And the you know, the touch of the water with the choreography, they have it like already 2 or 3 videos that we send. Nice. Oh, nice. I like that. Oh wow. Using the vocal to create the harmony there, and they create actually the melody of the instrumental with a vocoder. A vocoder is oh, how can I explain it? It's you know, something. It's like a microphone connected to a synthesizer.
Okay.
So you talk, and the microphone goes to the synthesizer, and then what you record the synth. So you're gonna have a singing keyboard, let's say like that.
Okay.
So that sound like is obviously someone speaking like a robot, because you can hear someone is literally singing, but all the melody and what you hear is the keyboard, the synthesizer. And that's interesting. They use that. Usually they use that a lot for choruses or as a part of, you know, something in the song. But I like in this song, for example, they're using as the instrumental is the beat and the vocoder. That's really cool.
Your lips, shut your tongue.
Oh, nice. That's played with the cameras, colors, and oh wow, I like that. I like the band.
What do you like about them?
I like the chorus they're creating and the harmonies of these guys. Hey, Mamacita, nega, all the harmonies there, and that you know, mix of languages or whatever they're doing there, which is quite cool, you know.
So I need to let you know, some of the captions are from my friend created this video for you.
Oh,
but
nice.
She wrote some captions for her own, so you're gonna see some captions coming up.
That's good, actually. That's actually nice.
I'm probably gonna be talking about like them being shirtless and things like that. So
good. I like that. Oh wow, the beat is really nice. This is a nice song, actually.